Do you love working in the outdoors, learning about our natural environment, and want to start a career helping to preserve and protect America's most precious natural resources? Then come on down to Skagit Valley College and enroll in the Environmental Conservation Program today.
Students generally learn skills that have to do with the environment, so they'll learn water quality testing and soil sampling. They do tree coring.
Depending on what program you go with, some of the skills you'll learn will be anywhere from testing water pH levels to alkalinity levels.
You can learn about the different salmon, like it's a big thing here in Washington, and different plants.
Some of the skills that we'd learn is how to measure discharge on streams, measure chemistry in the lakes and reservoirs around the area.
Apply to collect samples out in the wildlands, forest lands, ag lands, streams, rivers, lakes, and nearshore habitat along the Puget Sound shores and estuaries. And they're collecting samples and learn how to process those in the laboratory.
Students may choose to study biology and salmon ecology, limnology and stream ecology, or wildlife biology. Career options include studying and caring for marine environments and parks and recreation lands, or focusing on the impacts caused by urbanization, forestry practices, or agriculture.
The instructors seem very informative. They seem very willing to assist you in gaining education.
You know, you get more attention from the teacher instead of going to university where there's like hundreds of people in a class.
Pacific Northwest, we have more pristine areas to study within to help us understand what has happened in some of the other areas of the country.
Hands down, location. Location is great. Skagit River is not far away. You're surrounded by the Cascade Mountains.
Obviously located in a beautiful setting here in this Skagit River watershed, where we also have all 5 salmon species, and we got steelhead.
The natural area surrounding Skagit Valley College is rich in lush forests, agricultural lands, wetlands, streams, lakes, and oceans, providing students with an abundance of learning opportunities. There are many degree options, college transfers, and specialized certificates to challenge students and prepare them for a career in environmental conservation.
Depending on what they want to do, if you want to get into salmon restoration, Skagit Fisheries is a really good one. You can work for a lot of the local Indian tribes like Upper Skagit and Stillaguamish.
I work with the hatchery departments, parks and recreation. There's also, you can go with the game department.
Work for counties and cities. They work with conservation districts. And there are a number of students in the past have also started their own natural resource businesses.
It's very important that we understand our environment because we have to take care of it. It's not like we can just pack up and go someplace else. We got to live here.
If we don't have the environment, we don't have anything. We don't have our water, we don't have our air, we don't have our food.
It's important because the world is changing. It's becoming a lot more polluted and there's a lot more people.
You only get one environment. As soon as it's gone, until you find another planet for us to live on, we got to take care of this one.
I really like nature and I really like animals. I want to protect them, and my emphasis is to go to Western and get my BA and teach kids about nature.
Get paid to be in the woods? I mean, I'm from Eastern Washington originally, and I spent a lot of my childhood walking around in the woods, and then to think that I could get paid to do this and look at the stuff that's out there, sign me up.
That we do lots of field trips where people are actually collecting water quality samples. They're collecting macroinvertebrates, keying out in the laboratory, doing the actual testing of pH and oxygen and all that good stuff. You know, it's always rewarding when an eagle fly by, or you're out on the Sound where whales and seals are swimming by.
So don't delay. Help protect America's natural beauty and abundant resources, and come to Skagit Valley College and enroll in the Environmental Conservation Program today.